I would just say that I'm part of three builder groups all across the country. None of them invest in sales training. They laugh at me and they laugh at what we spend on it. Every meeting I've gone to for 4 years, they look at my line item for sales training and they laugh. And all of these guys, and it's about 100,000 a year. Everybody knows that. Everyone I know in this group has discounted homes in the last month in the aggregate by at least $100,000 and much more. I don't know that we've discounted anything. In fact, we've had some price increases. And it'll be fun for me. My meetings start this weekend because we do it in the spring and the fall. See, do you want to spend 100,000 a year and hold the line? Or do you want to do no training, and when things start going south, you discount every home? There's a guy in Seattle. His discounts per home are 100,000. So he's discounting his homes 20%. We are at the beginning stages of a massive building boom. We have started construction of what will be 40 new starts over the next 3 months and 3 different neighborhoods. I don't know anybody in the business who is taking on that type of an effort. It's all going in the opposite direction. So timing is everything, right? I hope that we can continue to say that these efforts that we put out every week for years will lead to something that makes us Warriors unique. Because what I'm seeing out there, I'm laughing at them. They have no Warrior salespeople, nobody.